Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Love Our Life. Today I am back at Universal Orlando. We just covered the Terra Luna yesterday, and if you haven't had a chance to check out that video, make sure you check it out. I'll list it down below in the description below. But today I'm here because I have heard that there is a strong rumor going around that we may or may not, it's just a rumor, get a Halloween Horror Nights announcement of some sort today. Whether it's a house, whether it's ticket sales, whatever. I'm hearing that that is going to happen today, so that is why I am here. But also, we're here just to have some fun, hang out, and have a good time, see what's new here in the park as well. So let's get going. Let's do it. So come on and join me. We are less than 60 days away from the opening of Epic Universe. Some of us may or may not have been there already. I'm just saying. And what an experience it was. But anyway, let's head over to Islands of Adventure because I need to pick up a brand new Epic Universe t-shirt. They did not have large or extra large in the shop there. So I'm going to head over here and see what I can find. Getting inside of the park now is pretty seamless with the new facial recognition. It's so easy. But we're going into the trading company here. Gonna see if they have that Epic shirt in here. Yeah, they have the shirt in here. It's the same one that I have before, but my old one is way too big on me. So I need to replace it now. But this one itself is 27, and this is an XL, which looks a little too big. Let's look at the large. I think the large might be all right. Yeah, I don't know. That's kind of big too. Did I just secretly upgrade to medium without even knowing it? Probably not. But yeah, that one. It's a little too big. I mean, I need a brand new Epic Universe t-shirt. They did not have the Dark Universe t-shirt either in the preview center. They had it, but they only had it in small and mediums. And when I asked about a restock, she said anything that you find in here it needs to be restocked or different sizes would be in the trading company here in Islands. So we shall see. I'm not overly confident and sure that they'll have the same. Oh, here it is. Here's the shirt right here. This is what I was looking for. The Dark Universe shirt here. So let's see if they have it. They do. They have it. Coming out of the trading company, I need to head back to Hogsmeade to go to Honeydukes. There's something I want to show you guys back there. We were trying to show you before, but nope, it wasn't there. So it looks like they have some trusses up over here. I'm wondering if this is for Grad Bash coming up. I mean, it's the end of March, so will they have that up that early? Am I missing an event? It could just be a private event or something like that. Nothing more like complicated than that. And that might be what it is, but I'm not overly sure on that. Stepping into Hogsmeade, obviously it is super busy in here with everyone lined up for Hagrid's Motorbike Adventure. But we are here for Honeydukes today just to look in and see. Now we are on a mission for the Butterbeer Bar in here. I have seen it online. Maybe or maybe not have tried it. Let's see if I can find it in here though. I'm not having luck right now. Hang on. So maybe it's in Sugar Plums because it's not in here. I don't think. So I'm completely missing it. No, it's not in here. Okay, well. Sugar Plums we go. Now, Sugar Plums is the candy store over in Universal Studios Florida in Diagon Alley. So maybe it's over there. I have seen pictures of it surfacing online. I have tried it at Epic Universe. I will just say that without giving too much away. I have tried it. So we will see. Made it over to studio side and let's get to work. Let's get in here and see what we can find, what's new, and hopefully we get that HHN announcement today. We will see. We are approaching the end of Mardi Gras and they're handing out beads today. You know what? Let's have some fun. Let's wear the beads. Even more beads. Maybe we are summoning the HHN demon today. I don't know. We will see. I don't know. But either way, we're here to have fun, enjoy, see what's new around here. The first thing, though, we're going to do, since we're over here on studio side, is we do this every year. We investigate the Five and Dime, because the Five and Dime is usually where they release brand new Halloween Horror Nights merch. And we are going to head over there and see if they've removed anything, if they've made room and displays, because usually when they make an announcement, they will put out a new shirt if it's a house announcement. Now, we have not had a ticket announcement date yet. So that's possible. So they could do both, but we don't know. So everything is just speculation. Somebody put something in my ear the other day, and I was like, Thursday is usually the days that Universal seems to announce things for Halloween Horror Nights, but we will have to wait and see, obviously. But let's go over here first and see if we can get this figured out. By the way, Mardi Gras ends this weekend, March the 30th. I said in the last video it was like May 30th. I was completely wrong. But it does end this weekend, and we still have the tribute store over here. There is one other thing that I do want to show you guys, and I have to remember this before I leave, because we did get a Halloween Horror Nights little snippet, little teaser over in New York, but we'll show that in a little bit. Hello, old friend. Time to go back in and see. Now, I'm seeing that the display has not been removed yet, but that could change. That very much so could change in a little bit, but still a lot of cool merchandise in here. All the new Ghostbuster stuff that I showed you guys last time, which is amazing. And of course, some Mardi Gras stuff in here. Oh, look at this Chucky fan. That's cool. I don't know if I've seen these yet. I guess I've just passed them by, but look at this Gill Man. That's amazing. And Dracula. Dracula is becoming my favorite. Don't ask me why, because I can't tell you. But Dracula is definitely becoming one of my favorites. I love that shirt. It's amazing. No clues, no hints so far. But this is usually where I camp out. And I will camp out there in just a little bit. I tried to get some details from Miss Essie. She wasn't budging. I am very, very, very excited about where the channel is heading. You know, sometimes I try to throw in some stuff just to give you guys channel updates. But why not just throw it right here in the middle? There's some stuff I can't talk about that's happening in the next couple of weeks, and I can't talk about it, but it's pretty awesome stuff. Also, Angie is returning to the videos very soon. I'm just saying that to put pressure on her. No, I'm just kidding. We have talked about it, and she may actually be in the video this coming weekend. We will see, but she will definitely be in the videos next week. Well, I'm excited about it. She's starting to get better, starting to get more healthy and everything, so I'm excited about that. You know, I miss my wife being here with me on these videos, so it's really cool that she is starting to get to that point, and it's amazing. And definitely next weekend, she definitely wants to be a part of that, so pretty excited, pretty amazing stuff. I really have worked really hard to get to where we're at today. And I'm not saying that in a braggy way, but, you know, just like hard work pays off. It really does. So something huge also happened today, and that is the fact that Epic Universe has released Express Passes, which is amazing. Also, VIP tours, and all of that information I will link down below so you guys can purchase your Express Passes, your VIP tours. Also to be noted that there are 3 attractions that are not included on the Express Pass. As of right now, Hiccup's Wing Gliders, Minecart Madness, and Battle at the Ministry, which is the new Harry Potter attraction. They are not included in those Express Passes. Now, VIP tour might be different. I'm sure it probably is. But as far as Express Pass goes, those 3 attractions will not be available at the start for Express Pass at Epic Universe. So just a little bit of tidbit of information. We're starting to get things slowly to come out, And we're going to have every single detail for you right here at this channel. So make sure you subscribe so you can stay up to date on all of that stuff. I'm over here by the food booths over here for Mardi Gras, which will be up only until this weekend. But there was a detail out here that I saw online, and I'm going to try to find it because I'm not sure exactly where it was at. But let me see if I can find it, because it is just a little hint at Halloween Horror Nights. By the way, this booth looks like something from HHN last year, right? I think it was like the Yeti, or year before that, something like that. Now that I'm thinking of it, it might be back over at Battery Park that I was thinking. I don't know, because it's not over here. So it could be totally off here, but we will see. This is fun. This is like a little scavenger hunt. Now, let's look over here. Oh, wait. This might be it. Yep, I think this is it. Binoculars here. Jack the Clown. Look at that. Now, why would they put Jack the Clown right here? Now, do I see any other clues here? No. Except for Jack. As I mentioned before, we have the king and queen over here, but do we have any hidden details over here with these guys? So probably be the last time I see you until next year, guys. Uh-oh. Okay, marching band again. But yeah, see you guys next year. Yeah, I don't see anything down here. No little hints, unless that's something back there. No, it's not. Yeah, I love the little details and all the little hints. Way too early for Halloween Horror Nights construction, as we were saying when we were over at Islands, and maybe this is like for a private party or something like that. Also over here, there's another, looks like a DJ area here, so maybe it's something for Grad Bash or some private event or something. If you know, drop down in the comments and let me know, because I'm not sure. All right, stepping into Diagon Alley really quickly. Let's also head over to Sugar Plums and see if they have that chocolate bar in there that I've been looking for. That's the quest today, HHN and the chocolate bar. Well, that was a bust too. That doesn't make any sense. I've seen it online. I've had it, I've tried it, but I wanted to show it to you here because when I was at Epic, I couldn't show you guys yet. So, I don't know. Oh well, it's out there and about, I promise. I'm over here at Battery Park, and this is one of my favorite things this year. Favorite display pieces. The gator playing the banjo. That is awesome. So much detail in them too, right? What chord's he playing there? I'm not sure. I think, buddy, you're gonna need some strings. What do you think? So I've come back over here by Schwab's, and I'm starting to think, since they made sort of an announcement today about express passes for Epic, that maybe nothing's going to happen for Halloween Horror Nights. I'm seated here though. I'm ready to go and see if anything happens today. Right now I'm kind of doubtful at this point, but it's only 10:21, so we will see. Nothing's been moved in the 5 and dimes. So usually that, like I said, that indicates that maybe we're getting an announcement of some sort today. But yeah, I'm not seeing anything happening. So I'll wait for a little bit and then I'll head out. Watch, it'll happen as soon as I get home. Yeah, so to my point earlier, I'm excited. There's a lot of cool things happening right now. A lot of cool things about to happen. We just covered the Terra Luna yesterday, which was amazing. I love that resort. I love the Stella Nova too. We're going to do a video really soon comparing the two and see what you guys think, because it's going to be really interesting, especially those that have stayed there, what you guys think about it. But yeah, so now it's just a waiting game. So let's wait and see what happens. So considering that Universal announced express passes for Epic Universe, VIP tours, all that kind of stuff, I'm going to just assume no Halloween Horror Nights announcement today. Now, like I said, this was a small rumor that I had heard. It wasn't like it was a big thing. I needed to come out here anyway and check out what was new. I had my doubts it was going to happen today, and it's not going to happen today. Unless I get home and they announce it. Heard nothing. Universal released that information today. Once they usually release one thing, they usually don't do two. And I jumped the gun a little bit. I'm probably thinking that there's not going to be any Halloween Horror Nights stuff until after or until Epic Universe, actually, I should say. Maybe not until opening day, something like that. It does seem a bit far out, but they are focused so much on this new park right now that Halloween Horror Nights is kind of taking the back seat. So anyway, I set myself up for a kind of disappointing day today. Not anyone else's fault but my own for believing what I heard and for not looking into it a little bit more. It is what it is. But I wanted to come out here anyway to kind of shop, to see what's new, everything like that. But we have a lot coming up, a lot of cool things happening. So if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button and the notification bell so you know when our next video is coming out. And remember, the road goes ever on. I will see you in the parks.